Hello everyone, I Vatsal welcome you all to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to connect Bluetooth AirPod to Android mobile phone. So the first thing that we have to do is we have to first turn on the AirPod. So this is the Bluetooth AirPod. Now the first thing that you have to do is you have to first open the cover of the AirPod case. Now you have to turn on the AirPod by pressing on the power button. And in most of the cases, the power button is given at the back side of the AirPod, somewhere here. So just press the power button for 3 seconds. In my AirPod, there is no power button, so I just have to take out the AirPod from the case and it will turn on automatically. As you can see, the light is blinking. So you also take out the AirPods from the AirPod case after pressing the power button and just keep the case cover open. So do not close it if possible. Now let's go to the mobile phone. Now what you have to do is just slide from the top and turn on the Bluetooth. After this, just go to the settings app and now press on the Bluetooth option. Now here it will show your AirPod. So you can see it is showing. So just press it to connect. Now press the pair button. Press on OK button. And now your AirPod is connected to the Android mobile phone. And now you can go back and listen to the music from the AirPod. So this is how you can connect Bluetooth AirPod to Android mobile phone. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.